So you heard me mention that for our student employees, if they learn of something when they're not working, they are a bystander, and we're hopeful that they'll share and pass on information. So let's talk about who is a bystander. A bystander is anyone who is not involved in the incident. Research shows that when there are more people who witness an event, there is actually a smaller chance that someone will intervene. Why is this? Ambiguity and perception. Many times we don't know what is actually occurring, and we don't ask questions, so we go back and forth with the ambiguity. Yes, no, maybe, is there a problem? Then we get what's called the diffusion of responsibility, and it is exacerbated because we truly believe that someone else will act. We must remember that it's on each of us to prevent and stop discrimination and harassment. We must recognize our personal responsibility and not rely on others to intervene. Keep an eye out for others. Ask questions. Create a distraction if needed. Get others to help us. And if necessary, call 911. Please remember, calling 911 to secure the campus security and keep people safe does not obligate someone to file criminal charges. Martin Luther King teaches us what will hurt us the most is not the words of our enemies, but the silence of our friends. UVU has embraced the University of Arizona's Step Up model for bystander intervention. It focuses on the power of one person willing to intervene and shows that they can make a difference. Failure at any one of these steps will result in no help being offered. First, a person must notice the event. Second, they must interpret it as a problem. Third, they must assume personal responsibility. Fourth, they need to know how to help. And fifth, they actually need to implement that help. That's the way we start. So if you see something, step up and say something. Now we're going to watch a video. And in this video, I want you to put yourself in both positions, the role of the person needing assistance and then the role of the persons who are watching what's taking place. I want you to think about what filters, what perceptions, what unconscious bias you may have. Ask yourself, would I be willing to help that person?